Hi everyone, good morning. How are you? Happy Thursday. Today we're going to make some gnocchi. Here is the ingredient: some provola, smoked provola, a basil, fresh basil, and gnocchi. We have also the sauce, gravy sauce. And then we start with boiling the water, and we'll put our gnocchi over there for 2 minutes, and then we'll pull them out. Here our sauce, and now we start to put it, and then we'll put the gnocchi, half of it. Yeah, and then some provola affumicata. Put it abundante because it will give it the taste. And then we have also the another half of the gnocchi, again another layer, and then the gravy over it, and then another layer of smoked provola. On the top we'll put the Parmesan cheese, abundant also this one because it will give it taste and flavor. And then here is the black pepper also. After that, the basil, fresh basil. That's the secret. The basil is very good because it will give it taste and the aroma. And then in the oven like 20-25 minutes. Here it is in the oven, it is cooking almost, and then we'll pull it out. We can serve it very hot. It looks nice, it fills with the cheese. For the gnocchi, I will leave down below the link, and then you will see how to make the gnocchi. Looks fantastic and yummy. Just try it, and then you will tell me. Like, subscribe to my channel, and then for those you already did, thank you very much for your time and effort. See you next time. Until then, bye.